In today's video, I'm going to show you how to instantly upgrade your Microsoft Planner plans to Planner Premium in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you want more advanced features like timeline views, better tracking, and improved project insights, upgrading to Planner Premium can make a big difference. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with different Microsoft apps. From here, find and open Microsoft Planner. If you don't see it right away, you can open the app launcher and select it from the list. Once Planner is open, go to the My Plans section. This is where all your plans are listed, including the ones you created and the ones shared with you. Now, choose the plan you want to upgrade and open it. Inside your plan, look for an option called Timeline. Click on it. This feature is typically part of the premium experience, and it's where the upgrade option appears. At this point, you should see a prompt asking if you want to upgrade your plan to premium. Click on Yes, Convert Now, or a similar button to continue. The system will start upgrading your plan automatically. You don't need to worry about losing any data. Your tasks, assignments, and settings will remain exactly as they are. After the process is complete, your plan will be upgraded to Planner Premium. Now you'll have access to advanced features like timeline views, better reporting, and improved project management tools to help you stay organized and more productive. And that's how you instantly upgrade Microsoft Planner plans to Planner Premium. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.